So this video is going to walk you through how you can schedule YouTube videos using YouTube Creator Studio. Without much ado, let's get started. But remember to subscribe to this channel because it really means a lot to me. Before you schedule YouTube video, firstly you have to upload the YouTube video that you have already created. So let's firstly upload. Make sure you log into your YouTube and then sign in with your Gmail. Already you have a YouTube account, and then you go to your YouTube studio, and then once you go to your YouTube studio, then you click on create. So when you click on create, then it's going to bring a dialog box that say upload videos. Already you might have already created the video that you want to upload. So once you click on upload video, you see this drag and drop video files to upload or select file. So I can go to the file and then I can drag it to this place and then it will upload. You can do that. Look at this that I want to do. So if you drag it here, it's going to upload, but I'm not going to do that. The second one, you can click on select file and then you go to the location where the video is and then you click on open. So this is the video that I want to publish. So I'm going to click on open so you can follow either of the two procedure. So it's going to upload. Can you see uploading? And then from 0% to like 100, and then it's going to check. So depending on how heavy your file is, then it's going to take some time to upload, but mine have already uploaded because it's not that long. So you have to do some settings like the YouTube name. We are not covering that, we are just talking about publishing. You have to input your tag, you have to input the description. So here you have to click on no. Now I've already put the tag and then I've already done everything, so you make sure you click on no for kids and then you click for next, and then once you click on next, and then I'm going to add an end screen and then I'm going to import it from video. So I click on import from video. If you don't have any video, you can leave this place, and then once your channel is getting bigger and bigger, then you will see this option. They are very simple. So I choose the related video that I need and then I click on save. So as I click on save, I click on next, and then this time around we are in visibility area, and then remember YouTube is going to check your work now. So here it is at the visibility section. What you just have to actually do is that you see 3 options here: private, more than 4 options rather, private, public, and then unlisted and schedule. So we are going to click on schedule because I don't want to publish that video now. So once I click on schedule, then date and the time that I want to schedule the YouTube video will be definitely there, you see. So I'm going to click on the desired day that I wanted to actually upload. So I click on the 29th of July 2022, and then you can actually change the time also. You can change it to 12, you can change it to 2, you can change it to AM and PM depending on when you want to do. But once you do that, you click on schedule, and then your video will not upload immediately, and then it will be scheduled at that specific time at that specific date. So when you see it has been, your video has been settled public on the July 29, 2022 at 12 AM, you see. And then if I'm not there, it will do that automatically. So please remember to subscribe to this channel, comment and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.